I might fall into.
This is Lora. She born in the year 1989.
Stop! This character doesn't exist at all. She is not real. Lora is fake. In this video, we will create an Instagram influencer using artificial intelligence for free to build an audience and make money, just like the accounts you see, all of which are AI generated. Let's get started. First, to create a character's face, we will use the website Wallpaper Flare. Click on the search box and enter the prompt according to how you want the character's face to be. Then, click on the search button. As you can see, a set of faces has appeared. Now, you need to choose the face that you find suitable. After some time of searching, we selected this face that we will rely on for creating the complete character. Right-click on the mouse to choose Save Image As, and then save it. Now, we will use Leonardo AI to create an exclusive character based on the first image. Click on AI Image Generation. Scroll down and upload the face image we obtained earlier. Wait for the image to be uploaded to the website. Then, provide the prompt according to the desired face shape. Add a negative prompt if needed, and you can use these words. Choose the RPG 4.0 a model. Click on Generate. Wait a moment to get the result. As you can see, we obtained these fantastic images. Select the image, zoom in to see the facial features clearly. Finally, click on the download button, and you will have completed the first step. Secondly, we will create poses for our custom model, and for that, we will use the site Cert AI. Go to the search box and type sexy blonde. As you can see, a set of poses that we can use for our character has appeared. As an important note, make sure to choose an image that looks realistic to get a good result in the end. Select the image you want, right-click on it, choose Save Image As, and then save the image. Can you use the Wallpaper Flare website as an alternative option? Click on the search box, type sexy blonde girl, and then click on search. Next, choose mobile only because we will use these images on Instagram. As you can see, a collection of fantastic images has appeared. Select the image you want, click on Crop Wallpaper Online, wait a moment, and then outline only the model's body that you intend to use. After making the adjustments, click on Click to download cropped wallpaper, and this way, you'll have obtained the desired image. Repeat this process with each image. Now, we will proceed with face swapping through Discord. We will provide the link in the video description. First, type / and select /Saviad. Enter the ID name, remember it, and then upload the face image for our character. Choose the image and click Open, then select Enter. Wait until the first stage is complete. Next, type / and select /Swapped. Upload the body or pose image that we will use for the model. Choose the image, then enter the same ID as in the first stage. Click Enter. Wait for a moment, and as you can see, the result has appeared. It's a fantastic outcome. Right-click on the image, select Save Image As, and save the image. In the second image, we directly choose the second step, /Swapped. Then, select the same ID name as in the first step. Upload the body or pose image that we will use for our model. Choose the image, then click Open, and finally, press Enter. Using the right mouse button, follow the same steps, save image as and save the image. If you want to learn how to create this bot on Discord, simply click on the link below the video. We will search for TikTok videos. In the search box, type blonde girls. Select a video. Look for a video where a girl is dancing and her face is clear. After some searching, choose this video. Copy the link and go to the Snaptic website. Paste the link and click Download. Finally, click on the Download Server 02, and you will have obtained the video. The next crucial step involves using the collab website for video face swapping. You can find the link in the video description. In this website, there is additional information about our channel from the subscription link, so please subscribe if you haven't already. Before starting, please read the instructions. Then, click on the play button for the first step, which lasts for 2 minutes. Wait until the first step is completed, and when a check mark appears, proceed to the second step. Wait a few seconds, and you will see a button to upload the video of our model's body. Select the video, click Open, and wait for the second step to finish. Next, start the third step for a few seconds, and a button to upload the image we created earlier will appear. Choose the image, click Open, and wait for a moment. After completing the previous step, initiate the fourth step, which is the most important one. Here, the face will be changed and merged with the video. Wait for approximately 7 minutes or more, depending on the video's quality and length. Once this stage is finished, continue with the remaining steps. After completing this stage, start the fifth step. Wait for a moment, and in this step, the final video that we will use will appear. Then, proceed to the fifth step, which is the video download stage. Wait a little while for the video we created to be downloaded. I have created an Instagram account with the name Lora Martinaz and added a distinctive profile picture as well as a short description. Now, let's proceed with uploading content. Click on the camera icon. Select from my computer. Choose the image we created earlier, then click Open. Adjust the image dimensions, then click Next. You can add filters if you'd like, then click Next again. Here, you can add a description for the image and hashtags. Finally, click on Share to post the first image. After that, click on Create, then select from my computer for the second image, and follow the same steps to edit, add a description, and share. Now, to post the video we created using artificial intelligence. Click on Create. Select from my computer. Choose the AI-generated video, then click Open. Adjust the video dimensions, then click Next. Set a cover image, then click Next. Add a description for the video. Click on a share. Repeat these steps daily to grow your account and potentially earn money from advertisements and product sponsorships from companies.